Good afternoon, everyone. Sorry for the technical problems. I'm here to talk about a CNCF sandbox project called Submariner, which is a hybrid cloud multi-cluster connectivity project, although it's more than just connectivity, which I'll get to. So the topic is going to be about how to contribute to this project, but before we get to that, I just want to talk briefly about why Submariner. So, today the hybrid cloud connectivity challenge that we faced when we had customers who had clusters deployed in different cloud providers was how to provide connectivity which is cloud vendor neutral, CNI agnostic, supports multiple CNIs, and they don't want any vendor lock-in and supports different flavors of Kubernetes. So while trying to figure out how to come up with a solution that answers all these questions, that's when we landed on a project called Submariner. It started back in 2019, so it's been a long journey. So why Submariner? One, it supports multiple cloud providers, and it is CNI agnostic for most parts, as in it is designed in such a way it can work on any cloud provider, any CNI, any Kubernetes offering, any managed Kubernetes offering, fully open source. Like in Red Hat, we use Submariner as part of our product solution, but the code that runs as part of a product is exactly 100% same as it's available upstream on GitHub. And of course, it's a cloud-native project. So how to contribute? Submariner-io, that's our project name on GitHub. You can see two QR codes. The one with the S will take you to our website, which includes very detailed documentation about the architecture, about the use cases, how to contribute, how our releases work. Everything is documented very well over there. You can just go through it and it will work. And second one will take you to our GitHub page. And as part of our organization, you can see there are multiple repositories. There are many more. We have just highlighted a few of them. Shipyard is the one that takes care of all our CI/CD, our make files, our Docker files for all the projects. Admiral is the project where we have all the common Golang code, which all the projects use, like a helper util functions. Lighthouse is our service discovery component, which is basically a Core DNS plugin. Submariner, that was the original repo. Then when we first started the project, it was just a single repository. This is the core of the networking component. Cloud Prepare is where the code sits, how to configure different cloud providers for Submariner to run on those. And Operator is where the operator to deploy all these components. And finally, subctl is our CLI, which you can use to deploy, troubleshoot, diagnose, gather logs, and all those things. So the reason I mentioned all these repositories, what they do is because the point I want to highlight today is that no matter whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or expert, whether you have been working on Golang for 5 or 6 years, or you have never even heard of what Golang is, either you're coming from a documentation background, testing background, your strengths are make files or shell scripts, we have something for everyone. So how you can contribute? You can raise bugs, raise issues, try out Submariner, does it work? Like I mentioned, I had only showed a few cloud providers, a few managed Kubernetes offerings, but because in theory it can work with everyone and there are infinite combinations that are possible, or near infinite, we cannot test everything. So if you are using a setup which is not a cloud provider or managed Kubernetes, which was not mentioned, try it out, run into any issues, come to us, we will fix it. If you can contribute the fix, even better. We'll help you, enable you to do that. Actually, over the years, one problem we have faced is, it's called suffering from success. Most of the time, Submariner works out of the box. The few times it doesn't work, it's such a small issue, someone will come in, they will fix it, and we never hear from them again. So that's why we are here trying to change that to get more contributors to our project. And other than that, you can also contribute to documentation. We have a test plan. You can just test it. Like I said, a combination which we are not testing today, we say we don't support, you can test it every release and add it to the supported combinations. So we are on the Slack. And the QR code over here will take you to a list of all the help wanted issues that we have, which are easy, good beginner issues, like you want to get started on how to code on Submariner, how to develop for Submariner. So we have a long list of issues which a first-timer can pick up. Okay. And we are on the Kubernetes Slack channel. Our channel name is #Submariner. And our website also lists our meeting times and all that. So hopefully we'll have more people contributing. So let's grow this multi-cluster journey together. And Finally, on the CNCF project table, we are on table 3 today from 3:30 to 7:30. And we are also at the Red Hat booth, which is at S23 in the showcase hall today and tomorrow. So walk in, you want to know more about Submariner as a project or contributing, talk to us. Thank you.